Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the Dow Jones30 future charts. Just before I start today's video, I'd just like to quickly pay respect to one of my trading icons, and that was Charlie Munga. Unfortunately, yesterday he passed away at the age of 99. It was announced by Berkshire Hathaway. So very, very sad news, just shy of his 100th birthday. So rest in peace, Charlie. But let's get started with today's video. We have the S&P 500 currently trading at 4,566. We were trading a lot higher, just at towards the start of the session, up around 4,600ish, about give or take 10 points. But we have called off those high prices now, and the market still continues to trade at these overbought levels. I think that still the S&P 500 has a good chance of going and hitting 4,600. Looking at economic data, we had the GDP numbers that come in today, slightly softer than expected if you look into the numbers, but of course that then means that then the Fed can potentially cut interest rates, so that's why the market is cheering the numbers that we saw today. But what's really important is the inflation report that we get tomorrow. That will be 1 hour before US markets open, and I actually think that there could be a very good chance that we could get some more positive inflation data here, which could potentially lead to the markets running higher. So I do like the fact that we have that data coming in tomorrow, and I am cautiously optimistic. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, very similar to the S&P 500 in terms of price move. We were initially trading a little bit higher towards the start of the session, but we have cooled off ever so slightly in the past the past 1 or 2 hours, I should say, not the last 10 or 20 minutes. But I think, again, going into tomorrow's session, we still do have the likelihood that we could see more upside here for the Nasdaq100 as we get that inflation data, which I suspect will be very positive for the markets. And then finally, the Dow Jones30, the outperformer on the day, up 0.5%, currently trading at 35,550. I do expect us to go and achieve a new yearly high here for the Dow Jones30. Yes, the RSI is incredibly overbought, but as I mentioned, tomorrow we have that inflation data, which I do believe will come in cooler than expected, and that could potentially be a catalyst that sends all three of these major indices higher. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Anyone who'd like to join my Signal service, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It'll take you to my website where you can then sign up.